I chose to take a look at BackChannel chat. I've never used this program before, so I thought it would be a good one to try out. So this is what you go to when you first get to the site. So I went to try for free as a teacher, and I just put in my teacher email, and then I made up this chat here. It was a little harder to mess around with it once I got in because you need to have other online users on as well. So I went to the benefits section and just read a little bit more about it here. And I know we had seen some of this in some of the information that was shared with us. But I thought it was neat to look at what it does offer. And then you can also compare it to some other similar programs. And I think it was, you can kind of see how much it costs to do it for free, how many kids can be in it at a time, how far you can search. You can see the real time, you can see what avatars. It does allow for there to be some flipped classrooms. And it really is something that you could use for teaching, or you could use it with adults. It looks like it does have some settings in place so that you can set up controls for it. You can also download all the transcripts so you can pay attention to what's been said and use that to help with scoring and assessing where students are at. Also to maybe provide feedback later on and where to invite students to come in. I like that right down here you can just type right in the chat, and it gives students another place where they can communicate with each other, but again with some more controls, and I really like that about it a lot. It seems pretty simple and easy to use, and I would say my only challenges with it are just the differences with what you can get for the classroom versus the free version. But again, I think it still provides quite a bit of service if you just have a free version. So, all right. Thank you.